dressed up. 100 pictures you keep.
Yo, what's up guys, BNVLNT. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to sound like the kid LAROI in his new song, How Does It Feel? Now, if you guys watched the last video, the Lucy video, you might remember that it was a little weird because it was pitched up 100 cents. But for some reason, this the kid LAROI song is even weirder. And I'm pretty sure it was pitched up 31 cents. But the way that I find out how many cents it was pitched up is like kind of guesswork, so I'm not 100% sure that it was 31 cents. But essentially what I do is I double click on it and I turn the pitch down until the auto key tells me that A equals 440, meaning that it's not detuned at all. And this time I got 31 cents and that made the BPM 101 flat, which leads me to believe that it's probably 31 cents. But anyways, that's not really important. I'm just gonna play the original song.
You say you don't go out, but somehow I always see you. It's just to get dressed up. 100 pictures you keep too. It's different tonight. You looked in my eyes, and now, girl, you're all that I see. You're closing the space, a smile on your face. I know that you're locked in with me. How does it feel? It's me and you. How does it feel? It's me and you. How does it feel? It's me and you. Just us two. Cause if you came at a party, then why you looking down at your phone? Why you looking down? Cause if you came at a party, then why you acting like you're at home?
So yeah, that was How Does It Feel by the kid LAROI. And now real quick, before I show you guys the preset I made, I'm going to show you guys what it sounds like pitched down.
You say you don't go out, but somehow I always see you. It's just to get dressed up. 100 pictures you keep too.
That's all I'm gonna show you pitched down, but you guys can hear like it kind of sounds a little bit more natural. It sounds more like the kid LAROI's actual voice, so I'm pretty sure this is how they did it, but I could be wrong. Correct me in the comments if you know better than I do. But essentially I recorded this whole song 31 cents pitched down, and then at the end we'll pitch it back up so it sounds like the original. But yeah, like always, I'm gonna show you guys my raw vocals, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn off all of these presets. And this is what my raw vocals sound like trying to sing like the kid LAROI. I feel like I should play the harmony part, but that's the worst part. I'll play a little bit over here and a little bit over here just so you guys can hear like the harmonies and how bad they sound. Yeah, so that's over there, and then these harmonies. Anyways, yeah, my raw vocals aren't great, but you turn on all these presets and this is what it sounds like.
You say you don't go out, but somehow I always see you. It's just to get dressed up. 100 pictures you keep too. It's different tonight. You looked in my eyes, now got you all that I see. You're closing the space, you smile in my face. Know that you're like you with me.
Okay, so that's what the presets sound like, and now we're gonna take it and we're gonna export that. Same thing as my last video, we're gonna turn the master off before we export it, that way it doesn't get mastered twice when we drag it back in. And then we're gonna export it, wave, pitched down, save. And then once it's done exporting, you wanna drag it back in, and then all you have to do is double click on it and then turn this up until it says 31 at the top left. And if you guys are making your own music, you can essentially just pitch it up to whatever you want. If you want to pitch up your music, you could literally just pick any number, listen to it and see if you like it, and then export it like that, and then you have a pitched up song. So without further ado, I'm gonna turn this master on real quick and I'm gonna show you guys the pitched up version of the song.
Say you don't go out, but somehow I always see you. It's just to get dressed up. 100 pictures you keep too. It's different tonight. You looked in my eyes, now got you all that I see. You're closing the space, you smile in my face. Know that you're like you with me. How does it feel? It's me. you came here to party, then why you acting like you're alone?
So yeah, all of these presets will be completely free in the Discord. The only preset that isn't free is this Best Waves Master preset, which is $10 on my website, BNVLNT.shop. But if you guys want this whole FLP, which comes with this FLP that you see on the screen, as well as a template, the Best Waves Master preset, and my Stock Master for those of you that don't have Waves plugins, that will also be on my website for $15, and that'll be the second link in the description. But if you guys just want the free presets, that's completely fine. They'll all be in the Discord. First link in the description. You just scroll down here to where it says Benevolent Presets, and they'll all be right here. And then if you scroll up in this channel, there's hundreds of presets that are all completely free. So try them out, make some good music. So yeah, the last thing I'm gonna show you guys is the auto-tune settings. Now for this song, it was a little weird. The song was in C major, but essentially I put it in C chromatic, and then I clicked on Advanced down here, and I clicked on remove, and I removed all the sharps down here and this main. But then in the out of key main right here, I removed all of the sharps except for A sharp, because this note right here, that note right there is out of key. It's not in the key of C major. Essentially he's saying out of key to like build suspense into the next line. And he did it twice. He did it over here as well. And yeah, that note right there is A sharp. So essentially you want the auto-tune to allow A sharp. Otherwise, if you have it on like this, it'll sound really weird. So yeah, essentially he sung a couple of notes. I think it's just those two notes he sung out of key to build suspense. And yeah, that's why I had to make this out of key preset. But everything else is just C major. And I just took off all the black keys manually. But yeah, I think I used a retune speed of 6 and a humanize of 15 on all of these. If I remember correctly, I did add a natural vibrato of 3.1. I don't really know if it's doing much, but I feel like it makes my vibrato sound a little bit better right here.
So you don't go out.
But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for this video. If it helped you out, please leave a like, comment which artist you want to see next, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. That's been it. Peace.
How you feel? 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 Oh my God, baby, just tell me, tell me. Oh my God, just tell me, tell me. Oh my God, baby, just tell me. How you feel? Tell me.